Hey guys, okay, so in this week's video I want to give you a bit of an update on a change that's occurred within the EC or exemption certificate space, more specifically with regards to the process, because I've had something like 3 different jobs in the last week alone that have been caught off guard with this, so I thought, you know what, better start talking about it so people can be better prepared for it. So what do you need to know? Well, quite simply, if your proposal requires a citing variation, an SV for short, then council is asking you to lodge that SV concurrently with the EC exemption certificate. So the way we typically do these things is first you do the EC, get that through council, you get the reassurance that it's going to be approved, and then you actually go and lodge the SV. So you're not essentially committing to that extra cost until you've made it through that first hurdle. Unfortunately, council, like I suggested, is now making you lodge those at the exact same time. Why are they making you do this? Well, it's been suggested, let's just say, that if someone was to get an EC, it may negate the need for an SV. So they may, and I don't know whether this is actually just a perceived negation or whether it's actually a legal negation. Is negation a word? Yeah, let's roll with it today. So I don't know if it's actually a thing or whether it's just they're worried people will think it's a thing. But either way, council's gone, yeah, we don't want this headache. We don't want people missing that SV step. So let's bring that SV step forward. Let's make you get it at the same time, if not exactly before or immediately before you get the EC, so we can make sure there's no issues out there and people don't go skipping steps that are essential in this process. So yeah, what you need to know, long story short, is essentially if you're doing an EC and if you also need an SV, you have to now lodge it at the same time. You can't do one hurdle, then the next hurdle. Okay, I think that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly billy. Number 2, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all. Bye.